Hello, today we're going to be unboxing the Canon RF 200 to 800 zoom lens. I ordered this from B&H Photo in February of 2025 and the price was $1,899. And this is exactly how it was packaged and delivered to my front door by FedEx. Okay, let's take a look. Wow, that is pretty cool. Sweet. This lens is a popular choice with birders and wildlife photographers and people like me who occasionally want this kind of reach, but we just can't justify dropping $13K on a 600mm f4 prime. Now, if you have researched this lens even a little bit, you already know that there are numerous videos already on YouTube explaining the lens's capabilities and limitations, all done by people with much more experience than me. So I'm not going to try to do any review here today. I just wanted to show you the packaging and what comes in the box. And speaking of what comes in the box, or what didn't come in the box, I'm a little disappointed that there's no case included, but there is one available for $159 if you want to get one. If you found this information helpful, be sure and hit the like button. And if this is the type of content you appreciate, you might consider subscribing to my channel. But in any case, thank you for watching, and I hope that you will be back soon for another video. Wow, this thing is cool.